I was enraged about my abuse after I got done with the sadness. But there are so many women who feel overwhelmed by their rage, overwhelmed with anger, injustice, vengeance. And then there are plenty of women who are not angry at all. You're just heartbroken. You're just sad. You can't access your anger. You might even be numb. Are you furious? Are you feeling guilty for being furious? Or are you one of the women that can't access the fury? Let me tell you something about anger that I bet you don't know. We think that it always looks like yelling or fury, or that you can feel it, that you're gritting your teeth, that it comes out in some kind of specific way. You know, the bitter ex that wants to burn his life down, that feeling. And don't get me wrong, it can look like that. But also, anger can be exhaustion or you being totally numb, anxiety, obsessive thinking, contempt, guilt. It could also be overwhelming, profound sadness. Now, being angry after some man chose to abuse you, chose to lie, chose to hurt you, and then basically tossed you aside, that makes sense. It's a reaction to what literally happened. But anger, it's the part of you that tells you something. Anger is information. And in fact, I received phenomenal advice once that anger can be used as fuel. It can be the thing that's like, how dare you have treated me this way? And yeah, we don't want to hold on to anger. That's not good for anybody long term, but anger is telling you something. Now, if you're someone who can't access the anger, if you don't really feel that quite yet, that might be telling you that you're not out of the danger yet. Because when you're still in danger and you're still trying to survive, that's a really hard feeling to feel. So perhaps you're not going to feel it until you feel safe again. Now, I get that you don't want to become or stay an angry person. Of course not. So we're going to build safety so that you can access healthy anger, righteous anger. You can be okay with that anger and it doesn't have to consume you. This is exactly the kind of work that we do inside She Rises Collective. This is my monthly online membership for women survivors of abuse, narcissistic abuse, and domestic violence. And the women in this club, they're at all stages. You could be in the relationship, out of the relationship. You could feel your anger. You could be consumed by your anger. You might not be able to access your anger. In the Flourish level of She Rises, we have group coaching, we have workshops, we have guest speakers. And in fact, I have a workshop called Rage Becomes Her. And these workshops, they're not your average video that you can just find on YouTube. These videos are workshops that actually teach. They're live. You can ask questions and actually interact and really get skills and healing. I co-host She Rises Collective with therapist Shelly Pumphrey. Join us inside at the Flourish level and start healing.